little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We have often heard about the site of gaseous exchange in plants, the stomata. The stomata help in the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen required for carrying out various plant processes like respiration and photosynthesis. In this video, we will observe the function of stomata in a leaf. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the types and parts of plants activity kit. From the kit, take out the petroleum jelly. You will also need a small plant to carry out this activity. Choose a young plant from your garden, or you can also use one of the plants that you have grown in the seed germination activity. Now, take the petroleum jelly container, open it and take out a little jelly. Apply this jelly to cover both the surfaces of any leaf of your plant. Similarly, cover 2 more leaves of the plant with petroleum jelly. Let's keep this plant aside for a few days. After 10 to 15 days, observe the leaves on which petroleum jelly was applied. Also, observe the leaves to which petroleum jelly was not applied. Can you see that the leaves on which we had applied the petroleum jelly have turned yellow like this? The stomata present on the surface of the leaves help the plant to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during the process of respiration. When we applied petroleum jelly on the leaves, the pores of the stomata are closed. Due to this, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide stops and the plant is not able to respire. Because of this, the leaves of the plant became lifeless and turned from green to yellow. The gaseous exchange in plants takes place through the stomata. When we cover the stomata with petroleum jelly, the plant does not get the oxygen required for respiration. If the gaseous exchange is obstructed, the plant will die. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.